Hello guys, welcome back to the Lucas and Marcus video. So while driving, Lucas receives a call from Marcus and Marcus is very worried on the call. And it turns out that some coyotes try to attack Marcus and Marcus is very scared on the call and Marcus tells Lucas to come home quickly and Lucas also gets worried after hearing Marcus call and Lucas tries to go home quickly and Lucas prays that Marcus is okay and after a few minutes Lucas reaches the house and Marcus is very scared and then Lucas and Marcus prepare the cage to catch the coyotes and Marcus tells that all the coyotes were bigger than foxes and Marcus had seen 5 coyotes. Then Lucas and Marcus go inside the house and Lucas and Marcus look at the footage and see a coyote standing at the gate and Lucas is surprised and worried that where did so many coyotes come from. Lucas Marcus sees in the second footage that 2 minutes ago a coyote had also come to the front door and the situation becomes very dangerous for Lucas and Marcus. And Marcus thinks that these coyotes should be captured but Lucas thinks that it will be difficult to capture the coyotes. But then when Lucas and Marcus come out of the house, many coyotes are screaming. And Lucas and Marcus become alert and Lucas has picked up the bat for safety and Lucas is very scared. Then Lucas and Marcus try to find the coyotes. Lucas and Marcus go to the woods to look for the coyotes but there are no coyotes anywhere but the sounds of coyotes are heard. And Lucas is afraid that if the coyotes increase in number they may attack but Marcus still goes into the woods to find the coyotes. And Lucas gets separated from Marcus and then Lucas gets in the car and goes after Marcus while Marcus is alone in the woods and is looking for coyotes. And Marcus sees some coyotes and then Marcus calls Lucas and Marcus informs Lucas about the coyotes and Lucas tells Marcus to stay away from the coyotes. And then suddenly Marcus screams at the call as if an animal has bitten Marcus and Lucas quickly goes after Marcus but Lucas cannot see Marcus in the dark and Lucas is looking for Marcus in every corner of the woods and then suddenly Marcus comes out of one side of the woods but Marcus' condition is not good.